to connect to the land, to feel it. The land is our past, our present, and our future. To help nature its miracles. Together, we can produce much more. Therefore, each morning at Gesher Aziv, Batsuva, Beta Emek, and Shomrat, we awake to a shared purpose: to protect and empower agriculture in our area, to develop industry, to improve the collective social environment in which we live, to maximize the blend between agriculture, industry, and society, to grow and grow. For over 50 years, we have been doing it together as a single unified consortium. A consortium of over 1,000 working people who come in daily from kibbutzim, moshavim, development towns and villages in the Western Galilee. This is a story of stubborn pioneers who laid claim to the Western Galilee as part of the effort to settle the land of Israel and to make the dream of communal agricultural settlement come true. They understood that only by working together could they prosper far from Israel's business hub, and therefore 23 kibbutzim and 2 moshavim established Milouot, an agricultural enterprise that for over 50 years has turned a blend of people, agriculture, and industry into an economic and social powerhouse in both the good times and the bad. Milouot's strength comes from its collective structure and philosophy. The farms forming the consortium are its owners, suppliers, and customers, and they all believe in the power of togetherness. Together, we can develop, produce, and market better. To appreciate the power of a communal consortium, we shall have to soar very high. Today, Milouot is a modern and powerful agroeconomic consortium, continually leading its owners to new heights by focusing on 3 areas: livestock, fruit and field crops, and services. Some years ago, farmers at Kibbutz Kabri feared that their agricultural life's work was at an end. Water shortages had forced plantations to be uprooted all over Israel. Cooperation between Milouot and the Mateh Asher Regional Council led to the establishment of a treated wastewater enterprise. A network of more than 15 reservoirs now covers the region from Shlomi in the north to Afek in the south. The Asher reservoirs supply over 5.25 billion gallons of water to local farmers, and planting has started once again. Today, crops include about 4,000 acres of avocado and 500 acres of citrus, which, on their way to both local and export markets, all pass through Milouot, one of the largest and most modern computerized packing stations in Israel. With its 2 electronic sorting lines, it handles over 30,000 metric tons of fruit a year. About 70% of all produce packed by Milouot is slated for export, mainly to Europe. The Milouot vision, which reflects the Milouot Consortium's vision, is all about reinforcing settlement and protecting the land. Milout's philosophy is based on increasing the grower's profitability, a cooperative approach, reciprocal commitment, professional involvement, and placing marketing with a single professional body. We at Milouot believe that agriculture in the Western Galilee is Zionist high-tech that must lead. The Regional Experimental Farm, a partnership between Milouot and the Western Galilee Regional Council, focuses on applied agricultural research and development, R&D. Its aim is helping local farmers to consistently increase their profits by optimizing the production tools at their disposal. Research, development, and innovation are Milouot's guiding lights. Banana plantations under netting are an outcome of innovative research, leading to significantly better yields, better quality, and higher profits for the farmers, who now sell some 60 million shekels worth of fruit a year. To help lead the farmers forward, Milouot has looked at what the end user needs: quality, availability, and a fair price. With this in mind, Milouot developed its poultry production chain from the hatchery to the supermarket shelf. The entire process runs according to a detailed annual plan. Milouot envisions controlling over 15% of the poultry market in Israel. Milouot owns a hatchery, 9 hatching egg supply farms, and 4 pullet farms. After hatching, the pullets are sent to one of 44 broiler farms dotted around the Galilee. Milouot is an integrated cooperative in which most of the growers are also owners and partners. The broilers are then sent from the farms to some of the most modern slaughterhouses in Israel. The end product, over 50,000 metric tons of chicken and some 10,000 metric tons of turkey, are marketed through a distribution center to over 800 retail outlets from Kiryat Shmona in the north to Eilat in the south. Behind Milouot's vision lies a long-standing collective of diverse Western Galilee kibbutz agriculture. We have elected to pool our professional capabilities, our kibbutz poultry growing infrastructure, and our regional processing and marketing capabilities, together with its financial backbone, to establish poultry integration along the entire value chain. Milouot, one of the leading animal feed institutes in Israel, produces over 220 types of animal feed through fully automated process. The raw materials for producing feed are carefully selected and come to Milouot from all over the world. They are offloaded at Israeli ports and trucked to their respective reception pits. Real-time inspections are carried out at Milout's QA laboratories and at Milouot chemical laboratories. Top Milouot nutritionists conduct experiments to improve the quality of the feed and draw up precise feeding schedules for the farmers. Milouot is a partner in the Milouot Kfar HaMaccabi Feed Center, which specializes in producing fresh feed for dairy farms. Using 4 feed production centers spread out from the Beit Sha'an Valley to the Upper Galilee, and a truck delivery system from the production line to the trough. Milouot core philosophy dictates rigorous standards of quality. Experts at Milouot top-level laboratories perform chemical, microbiological, molecular biological, and environmental testing. Milouot has ISO 17025 accreditation from the Laboratory Accreditation Authority, is recognized by Israel's Health and Agriculture Ministries, and has GAFTA accreditation for inspecting feed and grain. Despite all Milouot's technology, we never forget that people are our most important resource. In our case, the farmer. Milouot is an umbrella organization for field crop and vegetable growers representing the planters at state institutes and helps farmers to integrate modern management tools. Dairy farmers have organized themselves to reduce their costs, to regulate bull, heifer, and calf auction sales, and to represent local dairy farmers at state institutes and professional forums. In monetary matters, the power of the collective can maximize profits. Mishkei HaMifratz is a financial institution operating as a purchasing organization and as a credit association. The organization's financial experts facilitate good trading conditions for its owners, such as providing long-term loans that allow farmers to take a long-term view and to continue investing in R&D. Milouot operates an 85-acre industrial park and provides a whole range of services to factories and businesses there and elsewhere. Milouot Corp provides 28 cold storage rooms with a capacity for 7,000 metric tons of cold and frozen products. An advanced control system is capable of stock management and the monitoring of each individual item. Milouot's computer and control systems are administered by Tadiad, one of the largest hardware and software houses in northern Israel, providing computer management, control, and maintenance. Milouot develops its real estate assets and manages its holdings in corporations such as Tnuva for dairy, Alon for fuel, and Bituach Haklai for insurance. As an organization that puts people first, we at Milouot also invest in a great diversity of projects in the local community, schools, culture, and art. With a turnover of some $500 million, assets, holdings, and international recognition in agriculture, we at Milouot believe that together we can lead the Galilee to its natural standing, ever upwards. Milouot is concluding 50 years of vision, 50 years of innovation, 50 years of winning partnership, and eagerly anticipates a future of development and innovation.